Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, Paytm FASTags are not accepted anymore. So I have ordered Amazon FASTag for my car. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your old Paytm FASTag and properly install your new Amazon Pay FASTag. Slowly and carefully peel the FASTag off the windshield. Give the windshield around the FASTag a good wipe with a microfiber cloth and some glass cleaner. This will remove any dirt or debris that might make removal harder. Please be aware that the glass cleaner cannot remove the chip and the sticker marks. For this, you need some hot boiling water. Soak a microfiber cloth in the boiling water and rub it over the FASTag. The heat will help loosen the adhesive. Be careful not to burn yourself. The adhesive mark is now removed, and now we have to remove the chip. Reapply the microfiber cloth soaked in hot water and gently rub the chip to remove it. And there you have it. Your old Paytm FASTag, the chip and the adhesive mark is now completely removed. Use a dry cloth or a tissue to wipe the area where the FASTag will be affixed. the label on the back of the FASTag and carefully place it at the center of the windshield from the inside, so that it is behind the rear view mirror. Press firmly for a good seal. And there you have it. Your old Paytm FASTag is removed, and your new Amazon Pay FASTag is ready to roll. Remember to activate your new FASTag according to Amazon Pay's instructions before hitting the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy driving.